Hey everyone, this is Jinli of Jinli Handcrafts, the DIY Mama. Today, I'm sharing this amazing calendar clipping machine na nabili ko lang dito sa Shopee, perfect for starting a new business ngayong bare months. So, unbox natin kasama sa machine ang free 2025 calendar template na ready to print. You can also customize it and lagyan mo ng personal touch, logo, using a Canva or Photoshop or any editing tools na mas convenient para sa'yo. Also, the shop offers calendar metal clips kaya pwede ka na mag-start gumawa ng calendars agad-agad. On this video, papakita ko kung paano gamitin itong tools. Mabilis lang gawin at perfect for small business or DIY projects. Sa ilang step lang, may ready-to-sell calendar ka na. Whether it's for gifts, company giveaways, or negosyo, konting creativity lang at pwede ka nang kumita. At kung interesado ka rin sa ganitong machine, ilalagay ko ang link sa description and start your own calendar making journey today. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to at gusto mo pa ng mga ganitong video, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more creative ideas and tutorials.